Hello students, welcome to my channel Max My Heartbeat. Students, in the previous videos we have started trigonometry, right? In trigonometry we have learned about definition of trigonometry, trigonometric ratios, and there we have completed exercise 11.1, and then we have seen trigonometric ratios of some specific values, and then we have started exercise 11.2 and we have completed exercise 11.2 also. So now let us start a new concept, that is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So what is meant by complementary angles? Sum of two angles, when the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the two angles are called complementary angles. So now let us see the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So our next concept, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So now let us see what are those complementary angles. So now if I take sine of 90 minus theta, then sine of 90 minus theta value is cos theta. In the same way, if I take cos of 90 minus theta, its value is sin theta. In the same way, if I take tan of 90 minus theta, its value is cot theta. Now the remaining are, that is cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, and secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. All these formulas, all these ratios are very important. Once again I repeat, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, and tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, and cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, and secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. All these formulas are very important. So now by using these formulas, let us move to our exercise 11.3. So exercise 11.3, first problem, evaluate. Here 5 are there, I will do 2, remaining 3 you do on your own. So I will do first one and fourth one. So remaining you can do on your own. So now first one is tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. So now if we see, if we add 36 plus 54, then we are getting 90, right? So this type of angles are called complementary angles. So now instead of 36 degrees I am writing that is equal to tan of 36 means 90 minus 54, am I correct? So 90 minus 54 by cot 54. So that is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 54 by cot 54. So cot 54 gets cancelled. Answer is 1. In the same way, let me solve fourth one now. In the same way, you can solve second one and third one. So now I am solving fourth one, sin 15 into secant 75. Sin 15 into secant 75. So now okay, so that is equal to, so let us write sin 15 as it is, and secant of 75 I am writing as secant of 75 can be written as 90 minus 15, am I correct? So secant of 90 minus 15. So that is equal to sin 15 into secant of 90 minus theta. What is secant of 90 minus theta? Cosecant theta. So I have to write here cosecant 15 degrees. So now keep sin 15 degrees as it is, and cosecant 15 degrees is nothing but cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin. So I am writing here 1 by sin 15 degrees. So sin 15 degrees, sin 15 degrees gets cancelled. Answer is 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So therefore sin 15 degrees into secant 75 degrees is equal to 1. So this is the first problem. Here first one and fourth one I have solved. Second one, third one, fifth one you need to solve on your own. So now let us move to our next problem, that is second problem. Second problem also 2 are there. Okay, 2 I will solve. I hope now everybody understood how to remember trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So once again I repeat, sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta, tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta, cosecant of 90 minus theta is equal to secant theta, secant of 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta, and cot of 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So all these formulas you need to remember. So second question now. Second problem. Show that first one, 2 bits are there. First bit tan of tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. So we have to prove that tan of 48 degrees into tan of 16 degrees into tan of 42 degrees into tan of 74 degrees is equal to 1. So solution. So I am writing the same as it is. Tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees. Okay. So that is equal to, now let us write, see here 48 plus 42 is 90, correct? In the same way 16 plus 74 is equal to 90. So I have to write 48 and 42 side by side. So tan of 48 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 74 degrees. So I am interchanging side by side so that I will get 90 degrees when I add two numbers. So that is equal to. So now I am writing tan 48 as it is, and I am writing tan 42 as tan of 90 minus 48. Am I correct? 90 minus 48 is 42, right? So that's why I am writing 42 as 90 minus 48. In the same way, tan 16 degrees into tan of, here 74 can also be written as 90 minus 16 degrees. So that is equal to tan 48 degrees into tan of 90 minus 48. Tan of 90 minus theta is cot theta. So cot 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan of 90 minus 16 is cot 16 degrees. So that is equal to, so tan 48 degrees into cot can be written as 1 by tan. So 1 by tan 48 degrees again into tan 16 degrees into 1 by tan of 16 degrees. Why? Because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So here tan 48 degrees, here tan 48 degrees, here tan 16 degrees, tan 16 degrees gets cancelled. Answer is equal to 1 into 1 is 1. So we have shown that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees, tan 45 degrees, tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equal to 1. This is how we need to prove that second problem, first bit. So let us do the second bit now. In the second bit, what is the question here? Cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees, second bit. cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 1. Sorry, 0. We need to prove that this value is 0. So, in the previous exercise, if we observe, we can know that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is nothing but cos of A plus B. So, we can write that cos A cos B minus sin A sin B is equal to cos of A plus B. So, that is equal to cos of, so in the place of A what is there? 36 degrees plus the place of B what is there? 54 degrees. So that is equal to cos of 36 plus 54 is 90 degrees, and we know that cos 90 value is 0. So that is equal to 0. Therefore cos 36 degrees into cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees into sin 54 degrees is equal to 0. So this is how we need to prove the second bit of second question. I hope everybody understood up to here. So now let us move to the third question. So what is the third question here? So third question, if tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Find the value of a. This is the question. So, if tan 2a is equal to cot of 98 a minus 18, then we need to find the value of a. So, I am taking, given that cot 2a is equal to, tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. So, given tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. So now tan 2a, can I write tan in terms of cot now? So cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. So both are cot, so I can take the angles equal directly here. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So okay, I will take a to this side, so minus 2a, so plus a becomes minus a is equal to minus 18 plus 90 becomes minus 90. So first what I did means tan I have converted into cot, that is tan theta is nothing but cot of 90 minus theta. So cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18. So these two are cot, so same angle, so I can equate the angles here. So 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Next what I have done means I have kept this minus 2a as it is and plus a becomes minus a. The same way minus 18 as it is plus 90 becomes minus 90. So minus 3a is equal to 90 plus 18 is 108. So minus gets cancelled. So 3a is equal to 108. So a is equal to 108 by 3. 3 ones 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 6 18. So a is equal to 36. This is how we need to solve the third problem. Okay, I hope everybody understood third problem. Now let us move to our fourth problem. Okay, so the question goes like this in the fourth problem. Fourth problem question I am writing here. If tan A is equal to cot B, if tan A is equal to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. This is the question. So now let us write given here also given. So given solution tan A is equal to cot B. So tan A can I write tan in terms of cot now? So cot of 90 minus A is equal to cot B. Not wait. Let me write B in terms of A. Okay. So now, however we want, we can write. But this is very easy. So tan A is equal to, instead of cot, I am writing tan of 90 minus B. Okay. So here also say an angle tan. So I can write A is equal to 90 minus B. So if I send B to this side, then we can write A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. This is how we have to. This is the fourth problem. Very simple and very easy problem, that one. So now let us move to our next very important problem, fifth problem. So what is given in fifth problem here? If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan of A plus B by 2. Okay, tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. So for doing this problem, I need the complete code, so I am erasing fourth problem also. But very easy, but very important also. So now he has given that A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle. So in triangle we know that in a triangle ABC, so sum of all angles of triangle, sum of all interior angles. Interior angles means inside angles. So if I take a triangle ABC like this, then the sum of these three angles, that is A, B and C, is equal to 180 degrees. So sum of all interior angles of triangle ABC is equal to 180 degrees. This means A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So now dividing by 2 on both sides. Why? Because we want A plus B by 2. So now dividing by 2 on both sides. Then what we will do means A plus B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2. So 180 by 2, 2 ones, 290. So that is equal to 90. So if I take A plus B by 2, then I will get, that is equal to 90. Okay, plus C by 2 here we will write now. Separately. Why? Because we want A plus B by 2 and C by 2 separately. So now A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90. So from this I will get A plus B by 2 is equal to 90 minus C by 2. So now if I apply tan on both sides, taking tan on both sides, then I will take tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus C by 2. Okay. So here the LHS as it is, tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus theta, cot theta. So cot c by 2. This is the solution. This problem is very, very important. Okay. So how we need to do this means first we have to take all interior angles of triangle ABC, and we know that interior angles of triangle ABC, sum of all interior angles of triangle ABC is 180 degrees. Is nothing but a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Dividing by 2 on both sides, we get a plus b plus c by 2. Why? Because here in the question he is asking a plus b by 2. So both sides we have to divide by 2. Then we will get a plus b plus c by 2 is equal to 90. Then we have only a plus b by 2 here. So if we write separately, a plus b by 2 plus c by 2 is equal to 90 degrees. So a plus b by 2 is equal to 90 plus c by 2 becomes minus c by 2. Next we have to take tan on both sides. Then tan of a plus b by 2 is equal to tan of 90 minus c by 2. So here tan of 90 minus c by 2 is nothing but cot c by 2. So this is how we have to do that problem. So one more last problem is there in this exercise. Let us complete that also. That is very, very easy and simple. Sixth problem, last problem. Express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles. Between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So now we need to convert these two angles in the form of as the angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So solution, sin of 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees. So this angle is more than 0 and 45 degrees. But whatever we get angle should be between 0 and 45. So let us convert. So sin of 70, can I write 70 as 90 minus 15? Yes. So sin 75 is nothing but sin of 90 minus 15 plus here cos of, again 65 is more than 45. I don't want 65 here. So I can write 90 minus 25. Okay. So now that is equal to, so sin of 90 minus 15 is cos 15 degrees plus cos of 90 minus 25 is sin 25. So this is the answer. He is asking just to convert in terms of angles between 0 and 45. So here 15 is between 0 and 45 and 25 is also between 0 and 45. With this we completed our exercise 11.3. So students, this is our topic, trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, and have completed exercise 11.3 also along with that topic. So I hope everybody understood these problems. So please like, comment, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.